While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.
Got Mark 200. Now, Mark, he be putting out that ish. You know how good Mark. He a hard-working man. But he put out 200. I think he's always putting out 200%. It says, first you crash into my life and you just broke. Is that what it say? All right, without further ado, let's check out Mark, shall we?
First you crash into my life and you just broke.
Oh, spiders. What the hell is that? This about spiders? I don't approve of those bed sheets. That shit would have got me freaky deaky. And not in a good way, like I would be freaked out, first of all. You and I, we have the same disguise. Whoa. Better rock? Aww. Ooh. Hey. Oh, this is different. Ooh, I like how he's experimenting with this. Whoa. She's gone. Get it. Not the beat shot, but you know, artsy. Ooh. Hey. Oh, what an interesting. He has some interesting shots in here. Very artsy in a way too. I wonder if it was his idea or just more of the director's, but I could tell you're just like oh, it has to do with spiders. That's Spider-Man? Oh, he's Spider-Man. You came, it was an alibi. You and now we have the same disguise. But second cap to got us up, Jana. Don't buy me up, the gods, you can't we rise up. You are my rock star. Without you, will always feel alone. When I'm lost, you got me home, yeah. He's Spider-Man this whole time? Oh, everybody's doing a lot of animation, huh? Oh, I love this. I love this era. Rockstar, my rockstar. Whoa. 94. Don't you know what you know? 694. You're my rockstar. Nothing is about being your number. You're 106 and I'm 94, yeah. 106 and 94 equals 200, right? I'm just asking for a friend that doesn't do math right. Right? Okay, I'm just... Oh. Oh, that's different. Ooh, are we doing like... Is there a next one like stop motion feel? I like that a lot. It's a lot different from the other stuff he's put out solo wise, right? Or am I tripping? I know he put that Gordon Ramsay one. That's the one I could think of off the top of my head. So he's Spider-Man? Spider-Man this whole time? Very creative. Very creative, very creative.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.